Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and hope you are doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the unboxing and review of the Edifier W830BT. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now a huge thank you before I start to Asia, the distributors of Edifier here, for sending this over, and this is way past due because I've been busy with work. I actually traveled to Terengganu and Kedah. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing of this really quickly before I bring you my thoughts. And on the front of the box is a picture of the headset as well as 95 hours of playtime, because yes, this can last a long time. On the back of the box shows the specification as well as the fact that it is foldable. Looking into the box, and it contains another black box, and on opening up that black box I can see the carrying case here, and also behind that there's a user guide that I probably will never read. On opening up the carrying case, and it reveals the headphones and two cables. Now one of the cables is a micro USB charging cable, while the second one is a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable. Taking a look at the headphones themselves, and wow, it is actually quite light. I also like the fact that it can fold for portability. And taking a tour of the device, and it has NFC for easy connection on the left ear cup, which actually worked wonderfully. Now there are also buttons for controlling the playback under the right ear cup here, but something I didn't like is that they actually feel a little bit cheap there. There is faux leather in the ear cup, and while they look like they will be comfortable, they are not removable, which is a cause for concern, especially in the future if you need to remove them. Talking about removing them and putting them on, they lasted hours and I did not even feel uncomfortable at all. Even like ear sweat was minimal there, and yeah, I would say it actually is very comfortable to wear this. Now, I also love the fact that it folds and, it's very, very easy to move around. Now, moving on to the sound quality, and this actually has a lot of bass that you can actually feel like around your ears, like boom, boom, boom. Mids are not as balanced, I would say, in my opinion, but if you love bass, yeah, maybe a little bit too much, you would actually love this here. And I would say it actually gets pretty loud without being uncomfortable. So it gets loud, but like it's not like, it's actually very, very nice and controlled, which I actually love as well. Now, I've been talking about the foldability, and I actually like how it can fold. It makes it very, very easy, to transport there. And I like the carrying case compared to, let's say, the 855BT, for example, because it's actually much more compact. And the cable management, there's a zip there that keeps it in place without, coming out when you're moving around, which I think it's a nice touch. Now, battery-wise, Edifier claims that this lasts 95 hours. And in my own experience, well, that is actually true. I would say I use this like from Monday to Friday or from Monday to Saturday in a full week without actually charging it, and it does not die. Like it stays that long. So when it comes to battery life, I would say this is really, really fantastic. It's one of the things I love about this headphones here, the 830BT. Now, coming to all the things that I love in a recap, I would say I love, the sound quality here, a little bit too bassy sometimes, but then I actually like bassy. I like the portability and the foldability, the fact that it has a carrying case, and most importantly, the battery life. Now, something I do not like is maybe perhaps the cheap feeling buttons there, which is not so nice. I also do not like the fact that the faux leather there is not removable. I would have loved if it was removable. And coming to the most important thing with the 830BTs here, which is price. And here in Malaysia, the price has actually dropped down, especially from the official Lazada store page. Now it retails for 285 ringgit, and unlike the last Edifier product that I reviewed and I was like, yeah, no, do not, maybe you should not buy that, this one I actually recommend it. It's a really, really good deal. I feel you get a lot for the price, and since I've got this confession here, I've been using it everywhere. I've been using it while running, while walking, while in the plane. I mean, I was on a flight yesterday, I've been using that, and yeah, I really, really love this and I highly recommend it. Like seriously, it's that good. Anyways, that's basically been it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and what questions or what things you have about this headphones here, let me know in the comment section down there below. And hopefully you're taking care of yourself. Take care of yourself. If you like what I do here, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you do not miss any new updates, and even more importantly, make sure you take care of your awesome, wonderful, amazing self. Huge shout out to Jack from Edifier Asia, Malaysia. Thank you so much, bro. And the video is live now, and I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing people next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.